Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, it's December 29th, 2025. Things have warmed up quite a bit. It's 37 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It started warming up last night and started raining last night. So we've had a little over 1.5 inches of rain. It's raining right now. It's supposed to break here pretty quick, but I'm not sure how quickly it will stop raining. So I put Optimus outside to let all the snow, I try to brush it off pretty darn well, but I don't get it all cleaned off thoroughly. The same thing with the Hulk. I put that outside, cleaned up the floor in here some. And 1.5 inches of rain. Well, this is a heck of a lot of rain. We haven't had this much rain since, not this most recent fall, but the fall before that. Or the springtime, maybe we got 1.5 inches. But this was quite a bit of rain for us here. And as you can see, the snow is really melting out here. One of the things I want to do today, I've got to wait for the rain to stop, but I want to get the Skydio 2 up and have a look around. And as I look at our cameras that we've got on the buildings and all around here, I could see the swales are all running pretty steady and all. And what I want to do is get the Skydio 2 up, the drone up, and get a look around and see just how everything, how the swale systems we put in, how they're handling everything. Now we get much more significant rain, but when you have you know, in the winter time, when you have a thaw like this, I want to make sure that all our swales are working very effectively. So anyways, that's one of the things I'm going to try and do today, but the Skydio 2 doesn't have any water resistance. It's not a drone you can fly in the rain. Like some drones, you can fly in the rain. So I've got to wait for it to stop raining. It'll probably be a couple of hours before that happens and all. I've just been cleaning things up around in here this morning. And the other day I did get the rest of this wall put up over here. I haven't used all the screws to attach it to the existing wall. I just have a couple of them there. And yeah, so I'll show a little bit of footage of assembling this wall as well, and hopefully I'll be able to show you some footage looking at the swales, because the swales show up pretty darn well. It'll show up as a dark lines going through the snow and all. And you know, it's just one of those ways of being able to see how you're controlling the water on your property. It just shows up so much better with the contrast of the white and the dark and all. So anyways, that's my goal, to shoot that today. Anyways, so I'm going to head back in for right now and see what else I can get done inside. Anyways, here we go.
I was 9 years old that winter. Lake Ontario turned wild. Sky fell heavy, gray and endless, snow stacked higher than a child. The wind had howled down city streets, didn't stop for days on end. Doors were sealed, roads disappeared. That's how 66 began. In the blizzard of 66, when the world went quiet white, we didn't have much, but we had each other through those frozen, endless nights. Neighbors turned to family, every hand was needed then. Yeah, hardship carved it in our hearts. The blizzard of 66. Cars were buried, clocks stood still, schools and stores all shut their doors. Dad pulled on his wool coat tight, snow up past the windowsills. Men with shovels, no complaints, just breathing sweat and frozen hands. You learn real fast what mattered most, helping where you can. In the blizzard of '66, when the streets were gone from sight, we shared what little warmth we had by lantern, stove, and firelight. No headlines, no excuses, just doing what had to be done. That storm made boys into men. In the blizzard of '66, I remember faces, tired smiles, coffee steaming in the cold, laughter cutting through the wind, stories shared, hands growing old. The snow came down like it meant to stay, but hearts stood tall and strong. You don't forget the sound of hope when the night feels twice as long. Time keeps rolling, seasons change, storms come in different ways, but I still measure winters by those long, hard days when community meant survival and pride was earned, not said. That storm didn't just bury streets, it planted something instead. In the blizzard of '66, when the city dug itself free, we found out who we really were and who we chose to be. No shortcuts, no surrender, just faith and stubborn will. That snow still falls inside my mind. On the streets of Oswego still. Yeah, the snow finally melted, but the lesson never did. We were forged together in that cold, in the blizzard of '66.
In the heart of the land where the wild things play, we dream of a pond where the creatures can stay. With a gentle slope and a soft clay bed, we'll craft a haven where the life will spread. Design a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. Shape it with care, make it wild and free, with a mix of depths and a touch of greenery. Edges that slope where the plants can thrive. In this peaceful haven so many lives will thrive. Design it a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. Water's a gift for the earth and the skies, irrigation for fields where the green will rise. Recharge the aquifer, keep the fire at bay. In this little oasis we find a new way. Designing a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. Wildlife will come where the habitat's right, with native plants and a touch of light. Create edges and margins where the turtles can rest, elevations of earth for them to nest. A diversity of trees and bushes abound, for birds to nest where safety is found. Zones for the flora and fauna to roam, in this natural world they'll make it their home. Designing a pond, a natural dream, where the waters flow and the sunlight gleams. A home for the fish and a rest for the birds, a symphony of life without a single word. So here's to the pond where our dreams take flight, a canvas of nature, both day and night. designing with love every stone and leaf. In this natural world, we find our relief.
Down by the water, where the willows sway, the pond's alive with magic. It calls me every day. Dragonflies dancing in their shimmering flight, catching sunlight sparkles, painting up the night. Turtles on the logs, frogs singing their song. In this quiet haven, my heart feels it belongs. Oh, I love this pond life, where the world feels right. Dragonflies and damselflies gliding through the light. Turtles basking slow, frogs croaking low. By the pond, sweet rhythm, my soul's aglow. Damselflies in blue, like jewels on the breeze, skimming across the water, moving with such ease. Frogs leap from the lilies, their chorus fills the air. Your turtles stretch their necks out, not a worry or a care. Turtles on the logs, frogs singing their song. In this quiet haven, my heart feels it belongs. Oh, I love this pond life, where the world feels right. Dragonflies and damselflies gliding through the light. Turtles basking slow, frogs croaking low. By the pond, sweet rhythm, my soul's aglow. When the world gets heavy and I need a place to be, the pond's my little paradise. It's calling out to me. Every ripple tells a story, every creature's got a part. This pond's my home, my haven. It's the beating of my heart. Oh, I love this pond life, where the world feels right. Dragonflies and damselflies gliding through the light. Turtles basking slow, frogs croaking low. By the pond, sweet rhythm, my soul's aglow. Yeah, by the pond I'm free, with the life that speaks to me. Dragonflies, turtles, frogs, it's where I'm meant to be. In this pond life, love, under skies above, I'll stay forever, wrapped in nature's hug.
Back in January 1966, I was just a 9-year-old kid in Oswego fix. The snow started falling soft and slow one night. By morning it was howling, blocking out the light. Lake Ontario roared with winds over 60 mile. Drifts piled up higher than a 2-story pile. 102 inches, that's what they say, buried our town in white for many a day.
Oh, the blizzard of 66, it'll live in our hearts forever. Hardship and wonder pulling us all together. Neighbors helping neighbors through the endless white sea. Snow up to the rooftops, but community set us free.
From the port city streets to the farms out in the cold, we tunneled and shoveled, stories yet untold. Blizzard of '66, you tested our might, but Oswego stood strong in that endless winter night. School shut down for a week, no classes, pure delight. Kids tunneled through drifts, playing morning till night. Cars buried deep, couldn't start them for days. Snowmobiles and skis became our new ways. Plows fought the giants, bringing help from afar. Helicopters dropping supplies under winter's harsh star. Farms locked in silence, folks living in barns, but strangers turned family, sharing warmth in their arms.
Oh, the blizzard of '66, it'll live in our hearts forever. Hardship and wonder pulling us all together. Neighbors helping neighbors through the endless white sea. Snow up to the rooftops, but community set us free.
From the port city streets to the farms out in the cold, we tunneled and shoveled stories yet untold. Blizzard of '66, you tested our might, but Oswego stood strong in that endless winter night. We dug out slow, one shovel at a time, laughing through the struggle, making memories sublime. Funerals postponed, birthdays put on hold, but hearts grew warmer in that bitter cold. Bob Sykes measured it all through the relentless storm, a benchmark for winters, keeping our spirits warm.
Oh, the blizzard of '66 still echoes through the years. A time of great hardship, but fewer tears. People came together in that legendary fight. Oswego's unbreakable spirit burning bright.
Yeah, the blizzard of '66, forever in my mind. 9 years old and wondering what a storm to find. Oswego, my home, through the snow and the gale. We weathered that blizzard and will always prevail.